channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Exela Technologies. The closing bell just went off, and you can see that in the after hours, Exela Technologies has dropped about a percentage point. But again, coming back to what we've been saying, Exela Technologies over the past about 2-3 sessions has been at a very attractive entry point, and today that is confirmed once more, because today the stock went down, I think, as low as 8%, and anybody who bought at that point, had a very nice return. As you guys can see here on the graph, that would have been at about 1 p.m. and from there the stock just rocked and rose all the way up to almost a percentage point above where it closed yesterday, and aggregate that would have represented 9 to 10 percentage a 9 to 10 percentage point increase in the value of the stock just today. So don't look at these 0.92% as being the actual gains that you would have had today. But if you invested yesterday, yes, that is what you would have made today. But again, there's still a lot of interest in Exela Technologies. You guys can see for yourself that the volume today is at 330 million shares that exchange hands, compared to an average volume of 126 million. The market capitalization is now almost 70 million US dollars at 67.5 million actually. Yesterday the stock closed at 15 cents, opened today at 14 cents, which would have marked a very good entry point for anybody looking to get into the Exela Technologies action. And in the course of today's trading, the stock went almost to 16 cents. So again, for memory, the 52-week range for Exela Technologies is from 9 cents all the way up to $3.54. The company has announced that it has received an acquisition proposal from another firm, and for one of its business units. So we don't know if they're going to follow through with the sale of that business unit. Also, just bear in mind, we are getting into the weekend. The economy slowly is not fully 100%. Remember, today was a bad day for Snapchat, the parent company of Snapchat. So Snap dropped a lot, and they had to do multiple stops just to slow down the momentum. So the tech sector is still under a lot of pressure, and that is not something to take trivially. So if you are investing in the tech sector, please be careful. Snapchat, Snap, the parent company of Snapchat, has also announced that it will be, I think they have a hiring freeze in place, and many of these tech companies have actually reduced the number of employees they have. Some have proposed early retirement for some of their employees. So be aware, the tech sector is still not out of the doldrums. Things are still very iffy and touchy, so be very careful if you are investing money in these companies. Exela Technologies had dropped to the point where there was no longer any bottom. It just couldn't technically go any lower, and from there, that's why you see there's this huge pile of people buying shares of the company, and so that's the story of Exela Technologies. And the more people buy, the more the word gets out there. That's how there might be a rush on the stocks on in this company, and those who are selling this stock short, if they don't cover fast enough, then it might be another disaster for them, just like AMC and GME, GameStop and AMC. So please, I just wanted to share with you that Exela seems to be doing good, and I fully expect this to actually get even higher on Monday, because 330 million shares in cash, that is not very much, but it shows a lot of interest in the stock of Exela Technologies. And I haven't checked yet the short interest, but it is very interesting, and it doesn't take much once the word gets out and people pile on here, and before you know it, the stock takes off like a rocket to the moon. Anyways, enough of me talking. I guess I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye for now.